So we have our tasks here on the left pane. Install boot hard drives in computer. Read the motherboard documentation to identify the location of the internal SATA connector. Install the hard drives and connect them to the motherboard. Plug in the correct power supply connector. Install a SATA port. So let's go over to the motherboard. We're going to install hard drive. Let's go over to the drive base. To hard drive, and then we'll go over to the jumpers. Cables. We have cable for first one, another cable for the second one. Alright. Then I will not make this for now. So we'll go ahead and connect this. So we'll go over to power and connect SATA. Let's go to the drive B. Let's connect this. Connect this. Alright. So install both hard drives in the computer. Read the motherboard documentation and identify location of the internal SATA connectors. Install the hard drives. Connect them to the motherboard. Plug in the correct power connector from the power supply for both hard drive. And let's connect this to the motherboard. So we have connectors. This is not connected, so this will go into the hard drive slots. This is not connected also. Okay. So plug in the correct. Install a SATA port connector into open expansion slots. This is SATA. Let's look at an open expansion slots. So let's see what might be remaining. Install a SATA port connector. Install a SATA port connector. Connect SATA cable to the motherboard. So we'll go ahead and connect this SATA cable to the motherboard. So let's see what is left for us. Everything is done. Everything is done. So we'll go ahead and score, and that will be it.